TikTok Lite download problem. So hey guys, on this video, 5 fixes that actually work in 2026. So the broken link check. Why links break? Short links vm.tiktok.com contain time-sensitive token and expire quickly, making stale links unusable. Recopy fresh. Always use the share button to generate new link right before downloading. Never reuse old URLs and expand in browser. So if it fails to open the link in browser to expand it to the full URL, guys. So here on to this video, here we have the visibility and permission, guys. So visibility and permission wall right here. Private or friendly only. Video restrict to followers or friends are inaccessible to any downloader. And here, deleted videos. If the app says video unavailable, the file no longer exists publicly. So how to verify? Open the link to incognito / private tabs while log out to confirm visibility. Technical and server bottlenecks. Clear cache, stable Wi-Fi, and server download. Clear cache first, guys, and then switch to Wi-Fi. Then use a server-side tool. And here, TikTok Shop success. Think bigger. Fiction download is step 1 in 2026. 48 to 65% of sales originated from internal discovery, optimized from search first ecosystem. Shop performance scores, master multimodal search, and align content with CEO. Match the problem solution language in your videos to list keywords, maximizing relevance in Google Short Video Carousel. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type it down below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.